Hi, it's me Civil Guru, and you are watching my YouTube channel Civil Guru 04. As you now we have on the chapter number 2. Today we have final exercise for the chapter number 2. Before starting this exercise, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can follow these all videos with practice step by step drawing, which is a real project drawings. You can learn more than others, and you can also share your any issue about Civil 3D on my Facebook page, which the name is Civil 3D Professional Designer. So let's start our today video exercise number 4. Share data using data shortcut. Sharing data in a dynamic environment. If we work in a team or company, then some question reveal related sharing data. What happens in a team environment? Are there ways in which whole drawings can interact with one another? Can multiply team member establish dynamic relationship between their design? The answer is yes, and the feature that makes it possible is the data shortcut. Earlier in the exercise, connecting object to objects, you observed how a profile, a road design, and a pipe system design can be related to one another. Now imagine a design team where Haris design the profile in one drawing, Julie design the road model in another drawing, and Mike design the pipe system in yet another. Data shortcut make it possible for these design to be linked together, just as you witnessed earlier, even across drawing. A data shortcut is a link to a Civil 3D object that enables another drawing to get access to that project. For example, if you create a profile that represents the proposed center line elevation of a road, you can publish a data shortcut for that profile, which makes that profile visible to other drawings. You are someone shortcut to success the profile. Once you have accessed the profile, you can use it as part of another design, such as the case with the road model. When a data shortcut is created, it is displayed in prospector beneath the data shortcut heading. Data shortcut are stored within a data shortcut project folder. This enables related data shortcuts such as those pertaining to a given project to the grouped together in one location. The folder that contains data shortcut folder is the working folder. Once a data shortcut is made available, you can use it to create a data reference in another drawing. Object that are data reference such as surface alignments and profile appear in prospector along with native object. So we have exercise number 5. Share data using data shortcut. We need to go on the screen of AutoCAD. Exercise number 4. In this exercise, you will use data shortcut to share data between drawings. You will publish a surface and an alignment as data shortcut from two separate drawings. Then you will reference the alignment and surface into a third drawing and use the information to create a profile. Step number 1. In this video, I will not show you the presentation of the PowerPoint, but we will follow the step like that also. Step number 1, we have opened the file name surface drawing located in description link. I will provide you in description link. You can go and download that from the Google Drive. Our drawing is opening. Surface drawing. Step number 2, if the tool space is not visible, click tool space on the home tab of the ribbon. We have already opened tool space, so we can move with third step on the prospector tab of the tool space. Here we have prospector tab. Right click data shortcut and select set working folder. Data shortcut we can find here, it's the data shortcut, and we can right click and set working folder. The browse for folder dialog box open is already open. Step number 4, browse to the data folder. You can select here any folder from your computer. As I am selecting Civil 3D projects and click OK. Step number 5, right click data shortcut and select new data shortcut project folder. Right click and select new data shortcut project folder. The new data shortcut folder dialog box we have open. Type sample project in the name field and click OK. We need to put name, any name you can put here, but now for we can put sample and click OK. It's already, so I need to change the name. Step number 7, save the drawing. Click the manage tab of the ribbon. You first save the drawing and click the manage tab of the ribbon, and then click create data shortcut. We click the create data shortcut dialog box open. As you can see on the screen, check the box next to the existing ground and click OK. We are going to make reference this existing ground, so we can select existing ground and click OK. Step number 9, open the file name alignment drawing located description link. I will also provide you this drawing in the description link. You can download them. Step number 10, repeat step number 7 and 8 for the alignment main road A. We have alignment here. You can see these are our alignments, so we need to create data shortcut for these alignment also. Main road A, we are going to make data shortcut and click OK. Open the file name profile drawing located in also description link. I will also provide you this drawing. We have 3 viewports, one for the profile, one for the plan, and another third for the as we was used in the previous exercises for 3D model. You can close these previous 2 drawings, or you can open also. I am closing them. So now we have a profile drawing. Step number 12, in prospector expand data shortcut. Prospector we have already, and expand data shortcut I have already. If you have not expand data shortcut, you can click on the plus sign and you will see surface line